Hello.
Hi.
We're making a video because, well, boredom. We're on Omegle talking to random people. You cannot see that. Okay. Okay, fine, don't focus. So yeah, we are going to probably go to the pool later. So for now, we're talking to people. He isn't talking back to you. He's being boring.
I almost knocked down the turtle again.
I wish you could freaking see what you guys were saying. Oh well. Well, I was talking to someone and it seemed really nice and she decided to log off of it.
Hey, babe. This is Olivia. I'm not the one hanging up. Obviously, Liam. You thought it was me?
No, I knew it was you. Come up, though.
Alyssa, come up here.
No.
If you come up here, we'll go to the pool.
The pool.
She just said if you come up here, we'll go to the pool.
I feel like you're lying to me.
I'm not.
She has her bathing suit on.
Can you guys come down here and get me?
No!
No!
Jeez.
Uh-oh, the person disconnected.
I don't give.
Oh, well then. I get to talk to this person.
Interesting. Please.
No, hey.
When are we going to the pool?
What?
When are we going to the pool?
Right now.
When you get here. Jeez. What's up? Alyssa? Come here. Oh. No, she didn't. Oh, too close. This woman is lazy. Then get dressed.
Don't rush me, woman.
Too bad I'm rushing you.
I'm lying down on my bed.
I need to get my swimsuit.
You always rush me, so I'm gonna rush you. Okay. What kind of face was that?
What the?
He's gonna be like,
Oops.
He's gonna be like, he's gonna be like,
There we go. What if I can't go?
blah. Message. He messaged you. Let's see what this person has to say.
Or what he looks like.
Or what he looks like. As in, can't. Ask him for a picture. Oh my Jesus. Okay. You spelled hot wrong.
Why you call me a pretty girl?
Oh. Thank you. Okay, I'm sorry, but
You're sexy as fuck.
hey, that's not bad.
Not at all.
I'm sorry. But we are underage, so let's not.
He doesn't know that.
Well, you're the one talking to him, so I ain't in this. I'm not in this.
He's pretty sexy.
Shut up, Olivia.
What's?
Yeah. Can I see another
can't.
picture of you? Burr. Cook. Woman, learn how to spell correctly. Send me another picture of yourself. Because saying it once wasn't enough. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna go. But this is pretty fun. I think we might do it again. Maybe.
I forgot what my picture is.
So we're gonna go. Say bye. Olivia. Olivia. Oh my god, this woman. Say bye. Oh my god. Say bye. Oh, that's her way of saying bye.